Taking the cryptocurrency world by storm, official Trump token and Melania meme they've congested, to say the least, the Solana network. And Solaxy Token is 100% taking advantage of that. Guys, Solaxy has already crossed $13.3 million raised, and it is continuing to go not just strong, but it is growing even faster. Okay, 13.4. I had to refresh the screen. $13.4 million raised. This ICO is doing between $500,000 to $1 million a day now, becoming one of the fastest growing, rivaling potentially Wall Street Pepe. So we got to give it a little respect. We got to talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got Solaxy Token on the screen right now. And if at any time during this video you find yourself interested in buying, make sure you use that link down in the description below. It's going to pull up this website right here. And as a matter of fact, if you use the link right below it, the one for Best Wallet, if you guys come out and you guys buy it on Best Wallet, you can actually see your balances throughout the duration of the pre-sale, so you don't even have to reconnect your wallet to the website to make sure that your coins are there. That is one of Best Wallet's unique features, and I think it's excellent, especially if you're into ICOs. If you're not into ICOs, it's still a great wallet to use. You're really going to like the interface, so just make sure you give it a download. It is free. You don't have to deposit anything or anything like that, but it's a new up-and-coming wallet that is gaining a lot of attraction and a lot of attention. But look, if you want to buy, it's a very simple process, and I do have a full walkthrough tutorial on my How to Buy Wall Street Pepe video, where I put my wallet on the left-hand side of the screen, show you guys every button to click on. But let's talk about why it surpassed $13.4 million. Guys, it was doing about $250,000 a day in ICO activity, which was excellent. But over the last week or so, it has really stepped up. The introduction of Trump and Melania have restaged the entire cryptocurrency market. If you look at meme coin search volume, not only is it at all-time highs, it's projected to go even higher. And this is Google, right? This is not me making this graph up. This is Google projecting it to go even higher throughout the rest of this month, and I would imagine throughout the rest of the year. If you look at how to buy crypto, people are pouring in right now. It hasn't been this high since the bull market of 2021, which tells you we could be on the brink of a major explosion. And if you guys are sitting on your hands waiting for, I don't know, some sort of a telltale sign, I don't know what to do, right? We've looked at these graphs. You can see the cyclical nature. You can see just how many people are interested. When they're searching for how to buy crypto, that doesn't mean they're buying yet, guys. They're trying to figure it out. And once they do, once they begin buying, prices are going to rocket. And that includes Solaxy Token. Now, if you're looking at Solaxy right now, one of the reasons that it's doing so well is because they're building a Layer 2 network. It says Solaxy is the next evolution in Layer 2 technology, delivering epic customization, efficiency, and performance. It neutralizes the pain points like congestion, failed transactions, and scalability limitations while amplifying the strengths of Solana. Let's talk about that for a second. Because a couple of days ago, I don't know, I think it was Sunday. It was Saturday morning or Sunday night, I forget when. I was trading on my Phantom wallet, but I was using the Radium exchange to do so. Transactions were failing, okay? I had to up my fees. Transactions were failing. I had to up my fees. And finally, when I was willing to pay a high enough fee, my transactions finally front-ran everybody else, and my transactions went through. It's getting expensive, right? A lot of other platforms don't allow you to adjust your fees. And my friend, for example, he's trying to trade, he's trying to buy, he's trying to trade, he's trying to buy. He's trying to buy the dip on Trump coin specifically, but it didn't matter what you were trying to buy. Everything was failing. And if you're using an app where you can't adjust your fees, you're not going to be able to sell, especially in a bull market peak. So highly consider Best Wallet and highly consider, a platform where you do have more control than a lot of these centralized exchanges or secondary decentralized exchanges that are very easy to use but don't allow that customizability. Solaxy, though, guys, it's going to solve that problem. The Layer 2 network, when people realize, maybe they're sitting on $1 million in gains on Trump token as it soars to $100, $200, $300 a coin, but they can't sell it. Think about that. That's frustrating. They got to pay a pretty high fee to do so. Solaxy solves all of those issues. And those issues are going to become more and more well known as more and more people jump into the meme coin game. This is just the beginning. And as it gets even more congested, even busier, there's going to be an even higher demand for layer 2s like Solaxy. Now, full disclosure, I have bought in. I am very happy to hold Solaxy, and I'm even happier that Trump is out now and congesting Solana so that we could see a demand and a need for things like Solaxy here. Let me know what you guys are doing with it down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.